This guy was all brawn and firepower, not much on brains.
目を覚ませ僕らの世界が何者かに侵略されてるぞ作り物のような
Access code Battle Tracto Max. Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Zen here, and welcome back to another Random Builds Reviews. For this video, we are going to be taking a look at is the completed model to, of course, Battle Tracto Max from the Moderoid full-powered Gridman set. So here you are, and of course, there he is. And as much as I want to show up the box, we already did that when you unboxed him earlier this year. Or was that last year? I kind of forget. So a bit of background on Battle Tracto Max before showing him off. This guy was the first vehicle of the weapon assistance to Gridman that showed up in the series. Of course, he forms the arms back then. Human-wise, more like a big guy with a mask on him. If you haven't watched the anime for Quadruple S Gridman, I would suggest doing so. You can watch it in either Japanese with the English subs or in English dubs, however you want. You can stream that online wherever possible. So, vehicle itself right now, as soon as Max says his code in front of junk, he does turn into this sort of a 10-wheel tank with 2 turrets on top. So, speaking of turrets, these might be a little tight. All right. You can move them up and down, left or right, however you want. The wheels do not work on this model. I've already tried it. They're pretty much stationary. So yeah, can't roll. You can try to make him roll in a stop motion, but not in real life. So it's almost like a molded in right there. I mean, back in the previous video when we built him, sure, the wheels were part of the assembly. You can try to move them, as I mentioned before, but no dice. So, he's pretty much as it is. So, couple hands into the front. I'm guessing they act like a bumper of something. So, gap in between. Guess that's part of the aesthetics, where it shows off the elbows or something like that. In the back, helmet is stored. Don't really see it that much, except for maybe once or twice due to transformation or some sort of assembly. It's pretty decent for size-wise. Speaking of which, let's compare him with Caliber, which is part of the set. Caliber is a bit longer than Tracto Max. Buster Bore. And, of course, Sky Vitter. You know what? I think I want Sky Vitter in the back, because just for reasons. Yeah. So, got the entire team all together. I could combine them into full-powered Xenon, but I'll do that in the next video. We're just basically focusing on Tracto Max at this point, so I'll probably get these two out of the way and bring him back in for the next one. A second. Trying to make sure I have everything here. Now, I do like how the details are going into this little model here. Besides all the stickers, the red, the white, the gray, black wheels, and the black helmet. A few parts of yellow. Especially for the whole design. I would have to say, Battle Tracto Max is one of my most favorites out of the entire set. At least for the Moderoid version. Now compare him with Gridman. Well, he's a bit small. Height-wise, I mean, but when combined with him, it's a bit of a different story. So, in any case, why don't we get into that? So, now if you want to combine the Battle Tracto Max with Gridman, first you got to do is remove the helmet from the rear and just split him apart. Okay. Like so. Raise the turrets all the way up. Well, they're a little stiff right now. And of course, open these front panels just at the shoulders. Come on. Ah. There we go. You got that, and there goes the helmet off the table. Don't worry, I'll get to it in a minute. I should not have cut my nails. Okay. Alright, so I know... Use my tweezers instead. I don't want to go breaking this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's the other panel. All right, bring the helmet back in. Now, according to the directions, I also need a few extra parts in this. So, this is sort of a harness for Gridman in order to combine with Battle Tracto Max. And I know I have this combined. There we go. So, to start off, in order to get Gridman combined with his big arms, I have to rip the little ones off first. Once you take the small arms on, make sure they're straightened out. I'm going to line them up inside the shoulder cavities. That's where they get stored. And just close them right up. Okay. Same thing with the other. Only left arm gets the acceptor. Oh, for crying out. Ah. Sometimes these things just don't want to cooperate with me. Oh, and I see why they did there. Now I see. Gotta straighten out that hand. Alright. And with the acceptor goes in. There we go. There we go. Close that up. And from here, take one of these connector parts, plug it into Gridman like so. Same for the other side. On the back, 2 big pegs, or oddly shaped pegs, of course, and a peg hole. This part corresponds with that. Try to make everything line up with the main body. Okay. Got that all locked in, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, first I want to give him his helmet. Just slide that right on. And then give him his big arms here. And there you have his Hercules Gridman all combined up. And I don't think I mentioned that they combined as Hercules Gridman, but it is what it is. And I do have to like this neat little combo. Okay. Now I'll raise the camera up just a bit. Now this current form has shown itself inside the anime about, I want to say, 2, maybe 3 times. I forget how many. But this was the form that Gridman used with Battle Tracto Max against the giant kaijus that were created by Akanes, especially super strong ones. As well as, I think he did it against Anti once, aka Gridonite. But yeah, this isn't too bad of a form to have. Or at least the combo. Okay, so articulation points right now for Hercules Gridman. Well, you do have some shoulders, and I'm almost popping off the head here. So arms can go about 360 at most. Shoulder-wise, in and out, and you can see his original arm right there, where it's plugged right in. Nice little feature, to say the least. Double elbow bend on 2 joints. You can move the arms on a swivel, like all the way around, as long as you're careful. Make sure that there's enough clearance. If you want to try and move the fist, it is on a ball joint. Of course, you have to... there we go. Move the flap out a bit, and that is a stiff joint there. Ow. You can rotate the fists if you want. Or, in this case, take that out. Let's see here. That was the right hand, so I want to right... You try to move. Okay, this one that was almost coming out. You make him like wave a hand or something like that if you wanted, or use it to block a fist. So, again, there are options, and of course these are hands from the extra parts of the video we did. think that was from after opening it. At least the entire set. But again, I would have to say it's turning out to be a nice combo at this rate. Alright, now I don't have any more slips for the random hat draw at this point. We pretty much covered almost all the figures, such as the extra parts, Gridman, Tracto Max, Caliber, Buster Boar, and Sky Vitter. Not exactly in the order I imagined, but I'm not going to complain about it. But again, I would have to say Tracto Max is my favorite out of this entire set. I liked how it turned out. I wish that Good Smile did a bit more on this, like not allowing any stiff joints or broken parts. But again, I'm not going to complain that much. They did a superb job on this. Alright. In any case, I'm going to end here for right now and try to get him disassembled for the next video for the full-powered Xenon figure, which consists of 4. There we go. 4 figures. Not 3. But, alright. In any case, this is Black Xana saying Tower deactivated. I'll be back with many more good videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't, as well as to my gaming and vlogging channel. And please give me a like if you want. And I will see you all until next time. Bye!
First, this guy gets a sword, then a jet, then a drill tank, and now he's got another tank on 10 wheels that turn into a pair of huge fists? What's next? A punch to my... Wait a nanosecond. He wouldn't dare punch me in my faceplate using those big arms. Now, would he? Oh! Foul! I call foul! I swear you're gonna pay for that!
Hey, you asked, and only have yourself to blame. Some Decepticon leader you are, Megatorp.
Just you wait until I'm back in my regular size!
And you'll still be a stupid buckethead afterwards.
You be quiet, you lousy whatever it is you are!
That's Hyper Agent to you.